Now who dey sell market or?
E dey, I dey come.
Abeg come quick, I wan buy something.
Ah, Oga Sarri, na you be this? Ah, I get anything wey you wan buy o. Which one you need?
I need boots for my boys. They don dey fall hands. Dem no dey get football sense again.
Okay. So you wan buy boots wey go make them get football sense, abi? E dey, make I bring am.
Wait first, you know Are at their main market?
I get am.
What?
I hear say dem get this special boots where
E dey na.
you dey mad? Wait make I talk first na.
Sorry, sir.
Dem say the boots dey help players do many things.
Ah, Oga Sarri, na those ones you dey find? E dey now. I get am. But e go cost small o.
No problem, make I see them first.
Oya, follow me. You see this boots, If your player wear am, then jam body for pitch. Na the person wey jam am go fly comot for road. E fit even get life injury.
Funka!
What of this one?
Ah, Oga Sarri, you get the eye yo. That one, if you wear am wire short, na fire the keeper go dey see.
What?
Dey bend bar, break post sef.
Oh my god.
I fit buy am for Higuain no. This one uncle, wetin e dey do?
Ah, this one. Ah, if your player wear am, Usain Bolt cannot fit catch am. Him go run pass ball sef.
Jesus is
This
Lord.
one go make sense for Alonso.
You see that boot wey Messi dey use, make ball come for him leg, wey dey make am dribble everything.
You get am?
Na for here e buy am na. E dey.
You dey watch Chelsea ball?
Na me be headquarters for Chelsea fans na.
You sabi Jorginho?
Yes sir, I get am. E dey.
Oh my
No, I
god.
mean whether you sabi the guy.
Oh, okay, I sabi am.
You see that boy no sabi anything. Him need all the boat. You get all in one boat.
Omo, only one boot. E dey.